Hey there, friends! Are you tired of inconsistent image results when searching online? Well, say goodbye to Midjourney image struggles, because I've got something game-changing for you. Welcome to our channel where we dive into the wonders of PicFinder AI. So first, go to the video description and click the link given in the description. You are redirected to this website. This is an interface of the PicFinder AI website. Just type your prompt here. Like, a boy wears a yellow t-shirt and black shorts. And now, you can see images instantly. This AI is very fast. And the best thing about this AI is that, it generates unlimited images in just one prompt. Just scroll down, and you see many images. These images are very realistic and high quality. If you want to change the orientation of the images, click the setting and choose the landscape mode. Now, you can see these images like a model if you're using another AI artwork tool. You struggle to generate similar face images, but in this AI tool, you can generate similar images very easily. If you like any picture and you want to generate more variation of this picture, so click this button and you can see more variations of this picture in this AI tool. There are different models. To explore more models, click the setting button. Here you can see different models. You can try any model from here. I am sure this AI tool is very helpful for you if you want to make money using AI artwork images. So watch this video completely. So, are you ready to say goodbye to those frustrating, inconsistent image searches? Click the link in the description below to get started with PicFinder AI today. Trust me, it's a game changer. Oh, and don't forget to watch till the end for those money-making tips. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.